4-wheel drive buggy mod A main. Disaster off the start. Hope I got that. Sam comes across the line, followed by Jay. Then we got Manny, David, Ray, Denmark, Zach, Tom, and Sharif. After the first lap, it says they started. Sam has a little trouble, but he had enough of a cushion. Might give Jay a little hope. Little bobble, and no. And that's a slightly larger bobble. All sorts of position shuffling. Jay's got trouble again. That's a damn shame. Crying shame. Maybe not a crying shame. At least a damn shame. This is getting ugly. This is going to get ugly. More cartwheels. Just tremendous. Okay, so we're going to have to resort this out. Oh, buggies are humping, buggies are humping.
Good job, David.
Oh! Help him out. There. That's gentlemanly. I think that was Sam. That's a damn shame. So, our order is... Let's see if we can't find our leader. Boom! Here's our leader, Manny. Coming through the infield. Manny. There we go. Here comes David. That's second. Woo! Denmark in 3. Here he comes, here he comes. There's Denmark in 3. So it has spread the way the hell out. Tom Mix in 3. Never mind. Oh! Oh! I don't know if I got that on film or not. That might have been just as fast as go around the corner again by the time you got the marshals to figure out and you're on the wrong side. That's a good battle. That's a good battle. Good battle. That's Tom and Sam. Sam gets inside Tom for position. That puts Sam up into 3. Sam's in 3rd.
No, I gotta cross the line, baby.
Oh. That's... Damn, everybody's shuffling. This has not been the prettiest race of the night. We're gonna have to... Manny's still running away with it. David Gibson in second. There he is. Gibson in second. Sam's catching him. Was catching him. I think he got through that alright. So there's 3rd. Followed closely by Denmark in 4th. Sam in 3, trying to catch that buggy right there in 2. And then our leader is rifling through everybody. Manny has, I think, some good luck with some accidents and some crashes and decide he's going to turn it on and duck out. That's that red buggy coming up on Denmark, who, by the way, is in 4th. So Manny's coming up on 4th. Denmark, or Sam in 3rd, who is closing in on David. That's about to be our battle. That's about to be a battle. What's the gap? Oh. Ooh, much tighter line. You can see that caught a lot of time with that tight line. Looking for a way around. Looking for a way around. Ooh. Tell you what, David Gibson goes wide, Sam's going inside him. My prediction right here. First time Gibson's wide, Sam's in him. David Gibson's wicked on the sticks though. Sam's got skills, won't give up the line. There it is though, one time. Gibson trying to answer immediately. Can't do it. Oh. pushing it. Does not want to let him go. Sam doing everything he can to get some breathing room. Couple of car lengths. Take a breath. Nicely done. Put Sam up into second. Would have to have the drive of his life maybe to catch Manny. Oh, Sharif's pulling it. Oh, trouble at the start-finish line. Ooh, oh, that was almost ugly. Second place coming through the infield. He's catching Manny. He's catching Manny. There's Manny. There's Sam. Sam has caught Manny. 2 turns behind him. This is going to be the last lap. It's going to... Oh! Painful. Marshall, help him. Oh. That was an... Oh. I wanted to see if he could do it. I wanted to see if he could do it. Help him out. He's not done.
I would have never had to chase you like that.
Denmark number 4, Jay number 5, Ray number 6, Tom number 7, Zach number 8.